Hello everybody! Today let me explain you how we produce Goodyear welted shoes in our shoe factory Fratelli Borgioli. Goodyear welted construction requires many production steps to obtain the maximum combination between sturdiness and flexibility. The initial steps like cutting and stitching of the upper and lasting are the same. Then it's time for magic. Let's watch it together. So, here the oblique cut channel is being opened. Then, the exceeding parts of leather should be removed to prepare the shoe for Goodyear welted stitching. The welt in leather is applied to the upper. Before, we could only use manual work because we didn't have the Goodyear welted machine, and we could only produce 3 pairs of shoes. Now we use the machine, but under strict control of our artisans. Here, the leather components for inner sole are being applied. The inner heel is being colored, and then the inner sole is applied manually. The inner sole has metal support to give more sustain to the shoe. Then the left parts of leather are being removed so that the surface is smooth and even, and the inner heel is being applied. The exceeding parts of welt are being removed. And then we also make smooth the junction between the welt and the inner heel. The sole is being glued. Here we see the sole in rubber, but it also can be in leather. These are the steps to prepare for the application of the sole. So the rubber sole is being attached to the upper, and then we put the shoe under the special pressing machine so that the rubber sole is perfectly attached to the shoe. As you can see in the production process, we use so many operations, and it requires years of experience and manual capacity of our artisans to be able to execute all the processes correctly. Here we squeeze the welt to the sole, and then we make the first part of trimming of the side of the sole to prepare the sole for the stitching. This process is also very complicated and it's executed manually. The stitching of the sole using rapid machine. The heel is being glued and applied to the shoe. As you can see, the heel is also in leather and with rubber patch on it. After applying the heel, the shoe is pressed in the pressing machine. Then the final trimming is made. This final trimming gives the shape to the side part of the sole, which then is being colored of the same color of the upper. Here we come to the most interesting process, manual finishing and patina coloring. We hand color the shoe with waxes and creams to make it beautiful, unique, and very shiny, as you see. So, as you may have seen, there are so many production processes that we execute to make this shoe. We always look at the external part of the shoe, judge the shoe for its beauty, but we cannot think that inside the shoe there are so many technology and so many work so that this shoe is not only beautiful but also robust, sturdy and durable. I hope that I evoked your interest to this shoe, and I invite you to visit our YouTube channel, to subscribe and to follow us for more videos. Visit our website www.fratelliborgioli.com to buy this style or other styles of Fratelli Borgioli shoes. Thank you very much for your attention. I hope to see you for more videos. Bye!